Before you decide to purchase Chanty, here are 12 important things you need to know. While it's a solid productivity and time management software, there are factors to consider that could make or break your decision. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a better alternative you can try for free. The first thing you should know is that Chanty is built around team collaboration. It's a messaging tool that works best for businesses or teams who want streamlined communication. But unlike Slack, which can feel more like a large, complex ecosystem, Chanty focuses on simplicity and ease of use, which might be more appealing if you don't need all the bells and whistles. Next thing, let's talk about its pricing. Chanty's pricing is pretty competitive compared to similar tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack. It offers a free plan with basic features, which is great if you're a small team or just getting started. But when compared to its competitors, the premium plans are relatively affordable, which might be a deciding factor for budget-conscious teens. The third thing, Chanty offers integrations with key apps like Google Drive, Trello, and Zapier. If you're already using these, it's a nice bonus. But if your team relies heavily on other tools like Asana or Monday.com, you might find that the integrations are more limited compared to some competitors. Now, the fourth thing to consider is its interface. Chanty has a clean, user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate, even for new users. But if you're used to more customization options, like in Slack, you might feel limited with Chanty's more straightforward setup. The fifth thing is its search functionality. While Chanty's search is good, it's not as robust as some of the more powerful search features offered by Slack or Microsoft Teams. If your team has a lot of ongoing conversations and you need to find past messages quickly, this could be a drawback. Next, you'll want to know that Chanty focuses on simplicity, so you won't get all the advanced features of some of the more expensive tools out there. For example, it doesn't offer native video conferencing. So, if your team depends on video calls for communication, you'll have to integrate third-party tools like Zoom. The seventh thing, Chanty also has file sharing capabilities. You can upload and share files seamlessly, but it doesn't offer cloud storage like Slack or Microsoft Teams, which might be a limitation if you need to store a lot of data within the platform itself. The eighth thing is its task management feature. Chanty lets you assign tasks to team members directly in conversations. While it's functional, if you need a full-fledged task management tool, you might be better off with something like Asana or Monday.com that's more tailored to project management. The ninth thing, Chanty supports mobile devices, so you can stay connected even when you're on the go. However, it's not as feature-rich on mobile as some competitors, which might be a problem if you rely heavily on the mobile app for daily communication. Next, let's talk about security. Chanty offers end-to-end encryption, but it doesn't offer the same level of enterprise-grade security that Microsoft Teams or Slack provide. So, if you're dealing with sensitive information, it might not be the best fit for larger companies in highly regulated industries. The 11th thing, if you're worried about scaling, Chanty can handle small to mid-sized teams quite well. However, if you plan on scaling your team significantly, you might want to consider tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, which have more advanced features designed for larger organizations. Finally, Chanty does a great job with customer support. You can easily get help through live chat or email, but some users report that response times can vary, and it's not always as fast as you might expect from a big player like Slack or Teams. So, after all this, should you get Chanty? It's a solid option if you're looking for a straightforward, affordable solution for team communication. But if you're looking for something with more integrations, advanced features, and scalability, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which offers a more comprehensive toolset and a free trial to get started.